Big role as far as industry goes. Amazing participation from all the suppliers here. And knowing that there are 6 editions, Ludhiana, Tirupur, Calcutta, Bombay, Bangalore, I think it's amazing how he's getting the entire industry together. And I see so many yarn suppliers, fabric suppliers, film suppliers, brand companies coming in, retailers coming in. So it's a great synchronization of all the value chain partners here. So it's amazing to see all the innovation and all the product development that's current and contemporary.
Why Yarnex is very important for the customer who want to identify the yarn or the fabrics?
You see, in the business that we are in the business of product or desire. And product, of course, the basic DNA is the fabric, the yarn, the fiber that goes into it. And when you have all the suppliers here, right from a raw material cotton accreditation firm to a knitting firm to a dyeing firm, you have brought in all the value chain partners together who will make up a great product. And with brands coming in and engaging with all the partners here, I mean, idea is to create great products and take it to the market so that all the products can go to the market and we can create something meaningful for the entire industry. So it's fantastic.
Did you find any innovation or unique stall over here?
Yeah, lots of them actually. A lot of new blends, lot of sustainability themes, and so much material innovation. So it's interesting what all the retailers and brands can borrow and inculcate in their new collections and engage with the partners here and create beautiful collections. So it's a very, very relevant show here.
Do you want to say something to our viewers and the visitor who have missed this Yarnex 2025?
I think at one place, where would you find over 100 partners who are representing all the raw material innovation, all the finished goods innovation. So you have a beautiful coming together of all the value chain partners. And it's a brilliant opportunity to find out everything under one roof. You don't have to travel and visit multiple suppliers. It's a great place to network as well. So not just come see product, meet suppliers, meet your colleagues, ex-colleagues, and exchange cards, create a forum for another meeting and catching up together. So it's a great opportunity from an industry standpoint. Don't miss it.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you for your precious work.
Sir, you are from big brand. What is the scope of Indian market?
Indian market scope is tremendous. We are a 1.4 billion population, consuming class, GDP going up, government supporting with right amount of motivation on industry, on setting up new industry, providing support, whether through the labor cost or through the clean energy. So there is a lot of proactive government support coming in. And of course, with the liberalization of the tax structure, there will be more consuming discretionary income available, and therefore more money available with the end customer to indulge into fashion. So tremendous opportunity.
So
Next 10 days are for a country like ours.
Yeah, as well as we are participating different international exhibition. We are getting so much response from internationally. Our Italian machine manufacturers, they are looking for the Indian market. What do you think about that?
Yeah, I mean, our market, if you look at it, our market goes from a value mass segment to all the way to super premium, even luxury for that matter. So there is a consuming class and a big mass of customers at each of the segments. And I'm sure Grove will be interested to access, engage and sell to this consuming class. And of course, it's an opportunity for Indian suppliers as well to take our brands and our products globally. So it's a great opportunity for India and for the international partners.
Sir, as you are the big brand, and I think you have market for the small city to big brand. What is future you are looking for that?
So, I mean, as Raymond, we are present with over 1,000 Raymond shops across the length and width of the country, right from a metro to a tier 4, tier 5 town. We are present. And India opportunity is even larger. So, we are very, very blessed to be in a country where both the younger population coming in the mainstream consuming class, as well as with the rising consumption, rising GDP, rising purchasing power, the textile and apparel industry has a big runway of growth. So, opportunities are immense. You need to grab it. And market is very big for more players to come in and actually take a meaningful share of it.
So what is you are thinking about the future ready to customize garment, because I think your brand is big for the customize.
So we have made to measure business, we have custom tailoring business, we also have ready to wear or the apparel brands. Market in terms of consumers and in terms of opportunity across segments, there is immense potential, and therefore for us, whether through textiles or ready to stitch or ready to wear or made to measure, India as a market offers immense potential for growth and scaling up, and we would like to take advantage of it, and we are poised to take advantage of it, and I'm sure other players are equally looking at it. It's a large market, so yeah, larger the pie, more people coming together and taking a share of the pie. It's a healthy ecosystem, and future is good, present is good. We are all looking forward to what how to shape the industry and engage with customers and serve the customer.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you very much.